My name is Naomi.
And my name is Beatriz, and today we're going to present you our final project of calculus about partial fractions. The first thing we need to check is if the numerator isn't the derivative of the denominator. In this case, it isn't, so now we can proceed with the next step, which is factorize our denominator. In this case, it's very easy because the x is already separated and it's going to be one factor, and here we have a square binomial and it's very easy because they are the same factor. So now we're going to do this. We're going to separate each factor and put it with a letter. We're going to end up with this. In this case, since this is a square binomial, we need to do this on a square, because when you try to sum this, you need to put it in square, so it's going to be the biggest exponent.
Now we're gonna find these three letters, substituting 0 on this. We're gonna start with the denominator equals this. 4 equals a, so a is missing x plus 1 squared. And b is missing 1x and 1x plus 1. And c is only missing x. Now we're gonna substitute the 0 in all the x's. Now that we have substituted it, 4 equals a to the minus 1 to the square is 1, so it's like that. So a equals 4. B is cancelled because b times 0 was 0, and this also is 0. Now we're gonna substitute 1 in the same, like this. One minus 1 is 0, so a is cancelled. 1 minus 1 is cancelled too because it's 0, and it only takes us with c. So c is equals 4. This one is a little different because now we have a and c. So we're gonna substitute a and c. Like here, we put a that equals 4, and we substitute the x that is 2 minus 1, and here we don't have b, so we substitute the x. And here we have c, so we multiply. So b equals minus 4.
Now that we have a, b, and c, we can substitute them in here and integrate them. So it's going to leave us with, now that we have a, b, and c, we can substitute them in here so we can integrate. That's gonna leave us with 4 over x minus 4 over x minus 1 plus 4 over x minus 1 squared. And now we integrate that, and these ones we can integrate with logarithmic. So, and it's going to be like this. 4 ln absolute value of x minus 4 ln absolute value of x minus 1. And then in here we need to put in the numerator the denominator with our exponent negative, and then we do a power rule, and that's gonna be like this. And these ones we can leave negative exponent, so we put it in the denominator, and it's gonna be like this.
Plus c.